In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to a Word document. So here I have a Word document. If I go to my Insert menu, I have the option here to insert a link. Okay. There's another way to do this as well. So if I'm looking here, I'm saying go to a YouTube video. So if I wanted to provide a link to a specific YouTube video, I'm going to pop out over to YouTube. Here's the video. I go to my share. I copy the URL to this video. Now I'm going to go back to Word. Here it's highlighted. I can right click it and get my right click menu here. Choose link. Insert a link. And in this address bar, I'm going to hit Control V, and that adds the URL to the video, and I say OK. So notice that the highlighted portion is now blue and underlined, signifying that there is a link there. Hovering over it, it says that there is a link. And if I just want to double check to make sure it works, I can do Control click, and it should open right up to that video, that same video. And this is it. So perfect. And that's how you add a link. So that was a video link, but you could add a link if I wanted to add a link to a specific document. I could do that here, or if there was a specific article or a website, you can copy the URL link here. And again, you just highlight where you want that link to go. And you can go here and hit Insert Link. And you're going to paste that in the address line. Or you can right click and choose Link there. Always more than one option. Hope this is helpful.